Works okay with older Dell VGA monitor. This is a well-made HDMI cable that looks great, is well constructed and functions superbly. The unit itself has a bit of heft and does not feel cheap. I am very pleased with it and do recommend it for the purposes below why you should get this. This cable is great for 3 common situations. 1. Using an old VGA monitor with a PC with HDMI. 2. Using it for some other appliance that only has VGA input, e.g. projector or KVM. 3. Use this to add one more digital, HDMI, input to a multiple input monitor when you have already used up all your digital ports if you prefer a monitor switch to an HDMI switch or are in a situation where autodetect source works well. This cable will not let you take a VGA output from your PC and go to an HDMI input on a device. Currently I am using this to add one more digital port to a multiple port monitor. The display works well and I do not see any blurriness at 1080 like I used to see on some old pure VGA systems. Final thoughts. I do recommend this product. It is well made and functions well. My 12 computer was dying but the monitor had a 16-peg plug. I took a chance and ordered this cable hoping to turn my laptop into a 2-screen device. Plugged it in and magically it worked. I now have 2 screens while working at home. Liked everything about it, the clarity, etc. Cords are dumb essential items but work. It's frustrating to spend money on them but glad these worked as needed. Crystal clear picture and dual monitors are all set on my desk. Like it would be great if... I used it to work from home to add another screen with an old monitor I had stored away. Product worked for what was intended. Click link in description for more reviews.